Okay, so we have method of joints for trusses analysis. So as you can see, we have here this figure or this force member, cantilever truss. Yan, nakikita nyo. And then we have hinge at D and E. So probably this is 5 degrees and the other one is 10 degrees. So ngayon, since method of joints ang gagawin natin, lagay ko na lang dito 5 degrees and then 10 degrees. Pero ito naman, wag na natin masyadong gamitin yung mga degrees. It's because we're just focused on the force members or force in each member. So, hanapin natin yung force this one, force nito, and then that force. Okay, so number 1, we have to determine or consider the joint A. So, alin dyan yung joint A? Ito. So, at joint A, kunin natin yung free body diagram. So, yan. Bababa, 1,000. And ito naman, this is force AC, force BA at 30 degrees. So, ano yung pwede natin gawin dyan or una natin makukuha dyan? Siyempre, makukuha natin dyan is yung force AB. So, summation forces vertical is equal to 0, upward is positive. So, we have FBA sine of 30 is equal to 1,000. Therefore, FBA is equal to 1,000 divided by sine 30. So, therefore, we have FBA is equivalent to 2,000 kilonewton. So, next, meron tayong FBA. Ano yung pwede natin makuha para makuha si FAC? Since horizontal yan, pwede natin gawin na summation, ito na lang, summation forces horizontal is equal to 0, going to the right is positive. So, we have FAC negative. Okay. Yung FBA natin, di ba, compression or tension? Tension kasi nag-positive siya. So, ilagay natin pala dito tension. Tension. Ayan. Next, FBA going to the left din. So, lagay natin minus FBA. Cosine of 30 degrees is equal to 0. Since FAC, lipat natin. Okay. And ang sagot dito is negative FBA 2,000 cosine of 30 degrees. FAC is 1,732 kilonewton. Negatives, ibig sabihin compression. Okay. Next, after natin makuha to, punta naman tayo sa joint B and C. So, free body diagram muna tayo. So, at joint B naman tayo. So, ito in-isolate ko. Pinunta ko rito, free body diagram. As you can see, this is force BD, force BC, force BA. Yung nakuha natin. And then, 1,000. Ito, pag kinat ko to, this is 30 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, ito, kapag kinat ko yan, this is 60 degrees. Ito, possible na pwede ko na ditong gawin as your X, and then ito naman, possible na gawin ko na siya as your Y. Okay? Para mas mabilis yung calculations natin. So, pwede ko mag-summation forces vertical. So, summation forces vertical is equal to 0. Kasi ito ay X, ito na yung Y. So, ibig sabihin, okay, magkakaroon lang tayo ng FBC and then yung 1,000 dyan. So, FBs and 1,000 with cosine of 60 degrees, diba? So, sine of 60 degrees, sorry. Hindi cosine, 60. Kasi ito yun, yan, sine yan. Okay? So, we have a force BC. Okay, upward is positive. So, negative 2. How about yung 1,000? Also negative. 1,000 sine of 60 degrees is equal to 0. FBC, transpose ko, it will become positive. Pero negative 1,000 sine 60 is negative 866 kilonewton. So that is negative compression. So that is your FBC. Okay, right after ng FBC, punta naman tayo sa summation forces horizontal. Ano yung pwede natin i-horizontal dyan? Pwede natin i-horizontal yung FBD and then FBA. Okay, so summation forces horizontal is equal to 0. Going to the right is positive. This is going to the right, 2,000. And then yung ito, 1,000 cosine of 60. So we have to determine the force BD. Okay, kasi going to the left yan, so negative. Okay, plus 2,000 kasi positive. Next, we have plus 1,000 cosine of 60 degrees is equal to 0. Ito transpose lang natin sa kabila. So, force BD is equal to 2,000 plus 500. Therefore, yung force BD natin is equal to 2,500 kilonewton since that is positive tension. Okay, next. Okay, so at joint C naman tayo. Free body diagram tayo niyan. So, as you can see, ito yun. So, yan. Going to the right, summation forces horizontal is equal to 0. Going to the right is positive. So, ano yung mga horizontal dyan? We have FBC cosine of 60 and then FCD cosine of 60. FAC 1732 and FEC, which is FEC is unknown. Pag nag-horizontal tayo, dalawang unknown. So, ang gamitin muna natin is vertical is equal to 0. So, we have 2020. So, we have summation of y equal to 0. So, we have 866 sine of 60 plus 1,000, okay, is equal to FDC sine of 60. So, divided by sine 60. So, the force FDC would be 20 kilonewton tension. Okay, next, summation forces horizontal is equal to 0 and that's the time na makukuha na natin yung FEC natin. So, we have 20 sine of 30. 2020, saan yung 2020? Ito na yun. 2020 sine of 30. Okay. Plus 866 cosine of 60. Okay. Plus 1732 is equal to force EC. Okay, kung ayaw nyo gamitin si sine, okay lang. Pwede nyo gamitin yung cosine. So, ayusin natin. So, ito, pwede nyo gamitin si cosine. Diba? Sabi ko, 20 cosine of 60 degrees. Okay, ito rin. Cosine din nito. Plus 866 cosine of 60 degrees. Pero since going to the right is positive, pwede mo natin gawin negative. Negative na lang muna yan. Next, going to the right yung FAC minus FAC to be 1732. Next, minus FEC is equal to 0. Kapag nag-negative naman to, compression ibig sabihin ng FEC natin. So, ito, transpose na natin. Magiging positive. So, anong value nito? So, we have negative 3.175 kilonewton. Negative, therefore, our force EC is compression. Kilonewton compression. Okay, so nakuha na natin to. Nakuha na natin yan. This one, yan. And so that is for the method of joints.